Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Kinda. Good morning, Rudaina. طيب حبايبي احنا بدأنا نحل الإكزام.
تيتشر أنا لسه داخل يا مس، بس ما كنتش عارفة إن عليك دخلتي. أنا آسف.
ماشي، أنا بعت الإكزام على الجروب، محدش شافه.
أنا هشوفه دلوقتي.
أنا نبهت امبارح إن أنا هبعته في نفس الوقت بتاع السيشن وإن انتوا تبصوا عليه. طيب كيندا ورودينا بدأنا؟
آسف يا مس.
أيوة يا مس.
أوكي.
Teacher, it's the three pictures.
Yes.
Okay.
Teacher, should I answer them in paper?
What?
Should I answer them in a paper?
Yes. It's preferred you enter them in the in your notebook or in a paper.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, teacher.
Never mind.
Teacher, should we open the cam?
Ziad?
What? What, teacher?
No, Marwan, you don't need to open the camera.
Okay. Teacher, what? Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, I need from you, Marwan, Rudaina, and Kinda to عايزاكم يا ولاد تخرجوا من الميتنج. اوكي، تبداوا حل عادي وتخرجوا من الميتنج. لو حد عنده اي مشكله يتواصل معايا على البرايفت، لان انا دلوقتي
يعني
هبدا
نحل
شرح.
وبعدين نخرج ونبعتهولك بعدين نخرج.
لا، انتوا هتخرجوا دلوقتي وتبتدوا تحلوا عادي الامتحان بتاعكم في ورقه خارجيه. اللي يفضل موجود بس زياد، لان هشرح له الجزء اللي انتوا بتمتحنوا عليه. فهمنا؟
باي. يعني مس أول ما أخلص الورقة أخش تاني ولا أبعتها لك؟
يعني مس المفروض إن احنا نطلع دلوقتي، صح؟
اه
ماشي. أنا ما
يعني
نخلص
مس
الصفحة نرجع.
مش تمام
لما نحل
بالظبط كده.
الصفحة
اللي
نرجع.
ايوه اللي يخلص يا ولاد الاكزام وعايز يدخل معانا يدخل عادي في السيشن.
ماشي يا مس. باي.
زياد انت معايا؟
السلام عليكم.
عليكم السلام.
ازي حضرتك؟
الحمد لله تمام.
هو بس في الحمام، انا ممكن احضر معاه الحصه عادي ولا؟
حبيبتي عادي مفيش مشكلة، اول ما يبقى
طيب
جاهز تمام انا موجود.
ماشي، شكرا.
آه.
بس أنا جيت. بس أنا جيت.
زياد are you ready؟
Yes, miss.
اوكي معلش بس المايك كان مقفول وانا كنت بتكلم ما خدتش بالي. طيب انت قلت لي يا زياد ان انت وصلت للبارت اللي هو الترانسبيرنت الترانسميتنج materials اللي هي ال two different materials transparent semi transparent and opaque right؟
أيوة يا miss fine.
اوكي you take them انت already خدتهم ولا لسه كنت هتاخدهم؟
لا أنا already خدتهم.
اوكي تمام. let us continue after that يعني خلينا نشتغل من بعد البورت ده. طيب هنتكلم عن property number 3 it's called light reflection. light reflection and please notice that it's with L not R. reflection. Okay so what is What is the property called? Light what?
Miss, can you
Yes حبيبي. زياد.
Miss, are you making a recording to this meeting?
Yes, there is a record for this meeting. Is there any problem?
No,
Okay. You have any problem with the English?
no, Miss.
Okay. So the third property, it's called light reflection. Light what? Repeat
Reflection.
after me. Yes, light reflection. Okay. What is the meaning, Miss, of light reflection? Let us take an example about it. Okay, if you play with a ball, okay, if you play with a ball, and then the ball hit a wall, so what is gonna happen to the ball? It will return back to you, right or not? Ziad?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, please focus with me, Ziad. If you are playing with a ball, and then this ball hit in the wall, what will happening to the ball? It will return back to you, right?
Yes.
Okay, طيب. This is the meaning of reflection. When the light is hitting a reflecting surface, it will return back or make a bouncing. Okay, so if we have a reflecting surface like the mirror, if the light hits the mirror, what will happening? It will bouncing or return back. You got it? This is the meaning of reflection. Ziad,
Yes, Miss.
you got it or there is a problem?
No, it's a little bit confused.
It's not what?
I'm a little bit confused.
اوكي طيب خلينا طيب نقولها بالعربي كده بشكل مبسط. انا بقول لك لو انت بتلعب بكوره، تمام، البول بتاعتك دي خبطت الحيطه، ايه اللي هيحصل؟ ها زياد؟
It will come back to you.
Yes, it will come back to you. So this is the meaning of reflection. Okay, we will exchange the ball with a light. If the light hit a reflecting surface like the mirror, okay, it will hit the mirror. The light will hit the mirror. What will happening to the light? What will happening to the light, Ziad?
The light will travel.
No, it will do like the pole. The pole return back to you, so the light will do the same thing. It will bouncing. يعني هيحصل له reflection، هينعكس. زي كده يا زياد لما انت بتحرك mirror، لو معاك مراية وبتحركها في الشمس، مش بتعمل ضوء كده بيتحرك، اللايت بيتحرك، بتحس ان انت قادر تحركه.
Yes.
طيب so this is the meaning of reflection. ده معنى الرeflection. معناه ايه تاني يا مس بالعربي؟ قال لي لما البيم بتاعي او الشعاع بتاع الضوء بيحصل له ايه؟ لما يحصل له hit reflecting surface، لما يخبط او بيجي على reflecting surface يعني سطح عاكس زي الميرور بالظبط. ماله بقى يا مس؟ ايه اللي بيحصل؟ قال لي بيحصل له bouncing يعني بيرتد، زي ما احنا كده شايفين في السكرين كده حصل له bouncing. Okay, this is the meaning of bouncing. So what is the reflection again? Reflection, it is the bouncing or returning back of light rays when light falls on on a reflecting surface. Again, what is the meaning of light reflection? It's the bouncing or the returning back of light rays when light falls on a reflecting surface. Can you read it again? What is the meaning of light reflection?
It's a bouncing, returning back of light ray when light falls on a reflecting surface.
Okay, don't be confused or nervous. There is no problem. Be quiet and focus with me. ما تقلقش، يعني مش هيحصل حاجة. فركز في الشرح معايا، ولو في أي حاجة مش مفهومة إحنا نشرحها once and more، مرة واثنين وثلاثة. هبقى معاك لغاية لما تفهمها. اتفقنا؟ اتفقنا؟ Okay. So if there is no reflecting surface، يعني أنا ما عنديش reflecting surface. There is no reflecting surface. There is no mirror. ما فيش أي مراية ولا reflecting surface. The light will make a reflection or not. هيحصل reflection or not. Bravo, very good. So, if we have a reflecting surface, we have already a mirror, but we don't have a light ray. We have a mirror, but we don't have light ray. The reflection will be happened or not?
Not.
Very good. It will not happen. So if we want to make a reflection, we need two essential things. محتاجين حاجتين أساسيين جدا علشان الرeflection يحصل.
A reflecting surface like a mirror.
Very good. Yes, we need source of light and we need reflecting surface. There is the two important things if we need to make a reflection. Okay? Okay, very good. Let's move to another part. We need to know what is the types of light reflection. What is the types of light reflection? We have two types of that reflection. Number one, regular reflection. Number two, irregular reflection. Again, number one, regular reflection. Number two, irregular reflection. Okay, what is the difference, Miss, between regular reflection and irregular reflection?
Miss, the regular reflection
Yes.
of light when it falls on a smooth and shiny, but irregular, it's a reflection of light when it falls on a rough, reflecting surface.
Yes, very good, very good, very good, very good. Irregular reflection when the reflection happened in a smooth or shiny surface like the mirror, right? And we need to know one more thing, that the reflection happened in same direction, like in this photo. The reflection happened in the same direction, like right, Ziad, or not?
Yes, you miss right.
Okay, because the surface is very smooth and shiny, but in the irregular reflection, the reflection didn't happen in the same direction, but it happened in different direction, like what happened in the picture. There is different direction, right or not? Why, Miss? Why it's different direction? Because the surface is rough. You got it, Ziad?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, very good. So this is the difference between regular reflection and irregular reflection. So we have examples about regular reflection and examples about irregular reflection. Okay, what are the examples on regular reflection? Like the reflecting light falls on mirror. If the light falls on mirror, the mirror is smooth and shiny. What else? If it falls on glass surface, the glass is shiny and smooth, right or not?
Right.
Right or not?
Right.
Okay,
Right.
very good. Okay, very good. The examples of irregular reflection. What are the examples of irregular reflection? Can you read this part?
Reflection of light when it falls on any rough when it falls on any rough surface as a piece of white paper which contains
Yes.
protrusions and tiny holes.
Okay, so reflection of light when it falls on any rough surface as a piece of white paper. زي مديني example piece of white paper. So the example here is mirror and the glass surface. The example here is white paper. خلاص? You got it?
أيوة. Yes.
Yes. When we look on the mirror, we see a typical photo of you, right or wrong?
Yes. Right.
With the same size, and with the same distance, and it's equal for everything. Why? Because there is a regular reflection happened here on the mirror. There is regular reflection happened. So it will be typical as the reflection happened in the same direction. There is no different direction right here. So when you look in the mirror, you see a typical photo of yourself with no change, with no difference. Right?
Right.
Okay. So we have here give reason we cannot see in the dark. Okay. We need to discuss something else. How we can see objects. Do you know how you can see objects?
Due to the reflection of light.
Okay, due to the reflection of light. There is a good point. If I'm gonna ask you a question, we see because of your eyes, or we see because of light?
Because of
Which
light.
Yes, we see because of light. When we are sitting in the dark room, we cannot see anything in the room. But when we lighten up the light, we can see anything. Why, miss? Why we can see in the presence of light only?
Because there is no light falling on an object and reflecting on our eyes, causing vision.
Yes, very good. Very good. You take this part? You take this part before?
Yes.
Okay, so
No.
okay. So we have a give reason here. We cannot see in the dark. Why we cannot see in the dark? Because there is no light falling on object and reflecting on our eyes, causing vision. There is no light, so there is no reflection, so there is no vision. If there is no light, okay. Number two, you can see your image in a plain mirror. Why, Ziad? Why?
Due to the reflection of light.
Due to the reflection of light. Okay. Number four, we will talk about the light refraction with R, not L. Reflection. Okay. So what is the meaning of reflection? Okay. Do you have a cup of water? Can you open the camera and bring a cup of water?
Okay.
But quickly, please.
I will just bring water, miss.
Open the camera, please.
Okay. Yes, miss.
Yes, I see you. Can I see the glass of water or the cup of water? Okay, I want from you to fill the cup with water until the middle. I need to see until it reach the middle. Okay, can you put a pen inside the cup? Put a pen inside the cup.
مقلمة فاطمة.
Any pen you have. You can put any pen inside the cup.
Yes, miss.
Okay, you need to add a little more. You need to add more water in the cup. Put the pen inside the cup. Yes. Put it. Yes. Add some water in the cup until it reaches the middle.
Okay, miss.
Okay, I'm waiting for you. Okay, until it reaches the middle. That's enough. Okay, so what do you see? What do you see, Ziad?
I see the pencil is broken. Like,
Yes, very good. The pencil, it seems broken, right?
yes,
Okay, it seems broken. Because of what?
because of light reflection.
Refraction. Because of light reflection. So why miss light reflection in this happened in this case? Because light travels between two different medium. What are the two different mediums yet?
Air and water.
Very good. It's air and water. So the speed of light differ in air and water. If you are moving in the sea, and if you are playing football in the club, in what case you will be faster? When you are moving in the water or when you are moving in the club?
When I'm can you repeat the question?
Okay, I will repeat the question again. If you are playing football in the club and you are running or walking on the club, okay, and you are in the second case, you are walking on the sea, inside the water. So in what case you will be faster?
And running.
Just in case of running, please focus with me. طيب نقوله تاني بس بالعربي. أنا بقول لك لو أنت بتتحرك، أنت في النادي وبتلعب كورة وبتتحرك. طيب وأنت الكيس التانية أو الحالة التانية أنت بتتحرك in the sea جوه البحر أو بتمشي جوه البحر. In what case في أنهي حالة أنت هتتحرك بسهولة وأسرع، تبقى أسرع؟
لا في الكلاب.
بالظبط في الكلاب. Why? Because you are moving in the air. بتتحرك في الهواء. And your speed will be faster. سرعتك هتبقى أكبر. But in case of water, في حالة وجود الووتر المية وأنا بتحرك جوه المية، لا هلاقي إن أنا slower، بقيت أبطأ. Right or not, Ziad?
Right.
So there is difference between two medium. There is air and there is water. So your speed سرعتك هتبقى مختلفة في الاير عن الwater. The same case in the light. The same case in the light. When the light moving in air, it will be more faster while moving in water. So the speed of light differs. سرعة الضوء بتختلف in these two cases between water and light, water and air. So the difference in the differ in the speed, it causes refraction. It causes what, Ziad?
Reflection. Reflection.
Share again our PDF. You can turn off the camera if you want. We will share the PDF again. And now we will read the definition of refraction. Okay, focus with me on the board. Okay, this is light refraction. What is the meaning of light reflection? It is the change in the direction of light rays. There is a change happened as we see the pen seems broken in the cup, because there is a change happened in the direction of light rays when light passes through two different mediums or separating different mediums like air and water, as in the case of a cup of water. Okay, due to the change in light speed, due to the refraction happened due to the change in light speed. Okay, can you read again the definition of light refraction? Ziad? Ziad?
Yes.
Yes. Can you tell me the definition again?
It is the change in the direction of light rays when light passes through this
Yes. Separating.
reading surface between two different transparent media
Due to the change in
the light speed.
very good. Like in this case, that what we are doing. We have a cup of water and we put a pencil inside it, and the pencil, it seems broken because light travels between two different medium. The first medium is air and the second medium is water. And the speed of light will be different between air and water. So in this case, if we have two different medium and the speed of light is different, in this case we have refraction. In this case we have reflection. So the pen seems broken because there is a refraction happened, so it seems broken. Okay, can you read this part, please? Ziad?
Yes, Miss.
Can you read this part?
The light speed through air is faster than that through water, so this changes the speed of light rays causes their refraction changing in their direction and seeing the pencil broken.
Okay, so you got it now. What is the meaning of refraction and how it happening?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, we can put a spoon instead of pen, anything, and it will seem broken too. Okay, if we change this pen with a spoon, the spoon will be seems broken. The same case. Okay. Okay, the last thing we will talk about is light separation. I think there is no time with us to light separation. Okay, we will stop here because the time is out. We will stop here and you will have light separation inshallah in the next session. I will make a fast revision about it to make you got it more. Okay, you can solve the exam the other students take today. You can solve it in the homework. يعني تقدر تحل الإكزام اللي هم خدوه النهارده في الهومورك، وعادي تقدر تبص على الكتاب لو انت محتاج حاجة ترجع للكتاب لأن انت لسه جديد. اوكي، يعني انا مش هديك درجة عليه، بس انا محتاجة ان انت تحاول تحله في الهومورك في البيت. اتفقنا؟ اتفقنا يا زياد؟